Hey folks, I am going to show you how to submit a tech support request. So there are a couple of ways to get to this, but if something isn't working right in your computer, your audio isn't working, one of your keys isn't working, you don't have the software you need, or your computer is freezing or glitching or isn't charging correctly or whatever, if you go to the carlisleschools.org website, this is our homepage, okay? It's carlisleschools.org. If you scroll down here and you go to Online Learning Resources and Technology Support, and you scroll down and you click Technology Support and Troubleshooting right here. There's all kinds of troubleshooting advice here for you to read and try, right? Have you restarted? Are you logged onto the right internet? All of those things are here. Tons of helpful information, tons of good stuff to help with wireless internet. But if none of that works and there's still an issue, you can click down here to submit a technology service request. And you click that button and you fill out this survey with all your information, and then you hit submit at the bottom. You will have successfully submitted your technology service request.